Yellow dog contract. A yellow dog contract is an employment agreement in which a worker promises not to join a labour union as a strict condition of being hired. It is sometimes referred to as an anti-union agreement or an ironclad oath. During the early 20th century, powerful corporations used these coercive contracts to crush organising efforts and silence workers. Employees desperately needing jobs were forced to sign away their basic rights. Why are these documents no longer used today? First, they severely violate modern principles of freedom of association. Second, sweeping federal legislation outlawed the practice entirely. In the United States, the Norris-LaGuardia Act of 1932 made yellow dog contracts completely unenforceable in federal courts. Similar labour protection laws in the UK, Europe, and Australia ensure that union membership cannot legally disqualify someone from employment. For example, imagine a large coal mining company operating in the 1920s. The company posts a job opening for a new miner. When an applicant arrives, the manager hands them a legally binding document stating they will be fired immediately if they ever speak to a union representative. Desperate to feed their family, the applicant signs the paper. Today, if a modern corporation attempted to force an employee into signing that exact same document, federal labour boards would immediately intervene. The company would face massive fines for violating protected labour rights.